I'm a local guy from Fort Worth. I went to Dunbar High School, and there I joined the robotics team, which was sponsored by Bell, and that's actually where I got my start in becoming a mechanical engineer now. When I went to TCU, I majored in mechanical engineering, and in my junior year, I actually was an intern for Bell, where at the end I gave an outboarding interview, and that's where I got introduced to the leadership development program. I'm a Fort Worth boy. I've always loved it. I've always wanted to come back to the company that actually gave me my start in engineering. So getting this opportunity to actually go to the White House with Scott Donnelly was absolutely mind-blowing. I did not expect it. I was kind of shocked when it happened. I thought it was a joke for my coworkers. So my day started off with me getting on a private jet with my best friend now, Jamie Peet, who works at Bell as well. We went to DC, and just being up there, being surrounded by where we were, right near the White House, and being in the room with people that were in such high positions was just mind-blowing. I could not ask for a better opportunity, and I truly thank Bell for giving me that opportunity. Bell has done truly good things in the community, and I would just implore Bell to keep doing those things, to keep funneling that energy into the community, because it can produce great results.